Hi, I'm a food anarchist. I thought I'd show you my little sieve that I set up that I've got for sieving my compost. I've got this and this. What I can do is just hold the box and shake. This works really well. Nice. Remember, food is free. Food has medicine. Food anarchy. Hi.